150 Confederate guns firing into the center of the northern battle line. After a slight delay, dozens, maybe 80 or so, northern guns return fire. Think about what that would sound like. We're not that far away from the Gettysburg battlefield where we're sitting right now. 230 of the big guns thundering back and forth at each other for something like 90 straight minutes. This is unbelievably loud. You could have people out there not just trying to keep their heart in their chest, but bleeding from their ears, from their noses, the concussive force, the smoke. You're tasting straight gunpowder going into your lungs as it's hanging on a day that's described as windless. But the idea is pulverize them with artillery, either forcing them to retreat, use up their ammunition and run out and take away their defensive ability, or they'll just get scared. And who among us could blame somebody if they got scared in a situation like that? These 18, 19, 20, 21, 22-year-olds, they're not superheroes. They're not very different than many of us. They want to live at the end of the day. They have names, they have faces, they have homes, they have somebody waiting on them. None of these people's dream was to die in some random town in Pennsylvania you've never heard of before. And yet iron by the thousands is going back and forth through the sky. And after 90 straight minutes, guns start falling silent.